Acro-Yoga. A lot of people ask me. I am completely not very acquainted with Acro-Yoga, but why I love Acro-Yoga time is because it connects me to my kids. They enjoy the sequence, and I would say it's a hybrid yoga session where you have a partner with you, so you can work together on building up that strength, that flexibility, and also because of the acro moves required for this, the acrobatics, all that which is required to practice this form of yoga. Kids really enjoy this sequence. So my partner today in crime is
Kushagra.
my lovely son Kushagra. So we're going to break down that how actually we can do very simple poses of acro yoga with Kushagra, and ideally there is supposed to be 3 people who can practice acro yoga together, whereas where you have a base, which is me, you have a flyer, which is Kushagra, and we also have a spotter with us today, which is Adhya. She is behind the camera today. So that's about it. But if you don't have a spotter with you, you can practice with your partner also. So let's get started. First things first, as a base, I need to lie down completely on the mat. First I need to lie down, Kushagra, so you have to move. Okay, now make sure as a base you have a very firm foundation, that your back is completely straight, it does not have any curvature, and we're going to also fold our knees from here, and the flyer has to come closer to your body so that you can comfortably touch their toes like this. And then I bring my knees to my chest. The flyer has to stand absolutely straight, and then I fix my toes on the base of his iliac on the side like this, kind of draping this portion of his torso with my toes. Then another point to notice that the flyer will always have his fingers facing forward, whereas as a base my fingers will be facing outwards to give him, to allow the flyer to fix this thing comfortably. Second most important thing is that the flyer has to stand absolutely straight, core braced, and very freely he has to fall smooth. The more the base gives them their toes, the better it is. And also each time when we facilitate the movement for the flyer, we have to keep our knees completely bent like this. So let's try once. Kushal. Okay, once more. So free fall, and immediately when he brings his weight forward, I have to give him my toes, and he has to lift his chest, he has to point his toes out, and just keep holding on to the arms like this, and slowly give him the feeling of actually flying. This is like a bird posture. Now from here you can allow your flyer to actually fall like this into a folded leaf, where you're giving them more toes, and this time he can actually experiment with elongating his spine, working on his hip flexibility, because his toes are going to be pointed outwards. Toes are pointed outwards, Kushagra. On your toes, open your legs, yes. And you can even gently massage their back. Now try to twist in this position like this, yes. Activation in the spine, gentle spinal twist, and also very mild inversion because the blood flow is redirected towards the child's brain. The other side, yes, Kushagra. Active spine, active, strong baby, yes. As long as you feel good, you can keep flying here. Base has to have really strong legs, and then to dismount from the posture, fly, then down. And did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, so next session that we're going to have is going to be with Adhya, so stay tuned for more. Bye, say bye.
Bye.